Keen and I are working out. He's my workout buddy today. Check this out. You ready?
Are you making any videos? Get me in it.
Turn a bit.
Okay.
You like that? Oh my goodness. Killer. Mom's tired. Woo! Now we're going to do some abs. You ready, Keen? Up. And down. Up. Down. Are you helping me? Are you helping me? No, it doesn't look like fun anymore. You were laughing.
What do you think, buddy? What do you think?
Thank you for the hard workout, Keen.